Everybody, we just found a gold mine. This is Viva Chicken in St. George. They're doing Peruvian food from Peru. First of all, the Peruvian fried rice might have been the best fried rice that we've ever had, possibly. So much seasoning, pulled chicken in it, and just tons of ingredients when you look at the picture. Next, the sweet potato fries were fantastic, and even the normal French fries were fantastic. Some of the best we ever had. Now we ordered a quarter chicken white meat each, Peruvian spices on the skin. They marinated in Peruvian sauces. It tasted fantastic. Even our two drinks, our limeade drinks that we ordered, were probably the best we've ever had too. And to finish it all off, the sauces they gave us, the green one is mild, the yellow one was medium. They complement the chicken fantastically, even the French fries. Even though this is fast food, this is 5 stars easy. Very, very good food here in St. George, Utah, right off the 15 freeway. Praise God.